In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can remove all viruses on your Windows. So let's get started. So we just need to make a right click at the start button, and here we have the open run window. Here in the run window, you need to simply type temp or temp. temp or temp, click on OK. So these are junk files and viruses on your Windows. So what you can do is you just need to simply click on one file and press Ctrl A on keyboard to select all the items. Then click the delete icon at the top. Now check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Close this. Again, make a right click at the start button, open the run window. Here you need to type %temp percentage and click on OK. The same thing, you have to click on one folder and press Ctrl A on keyboard to select all the items. Then click the delete icon at the top. Now check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Close this. Right click again at the start button, open run. This time you need to type prefetch. Okay, prefetch and click on OK. Then delete also everything from here. Click on the delete icon. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup under the best match. So you need to choose the drive as to where your operating system has been installed. So I have installed this on my Windows C drive and click on OK. And then you will find in here these files to delete. So we have to simply choose all of these items. Do not worry, these are just temporary files and viruses on your Windows. Then you have to click on OK and click on the delete files button. Now you just need to wait for this to be done. Now once done, you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.